Some of the most popular products, for obvious reasons, are those that combine exquisite looks with high functionality. Who doesn't want to get the most out of their gadget and look good while doing it? Well, if you agree with that, our product today should really impress you. As consumers get more health conscious, resulting in the crowding of the market with different kinds of health monitors, there are very few devices that stand out. Among the very few that do is the Bellabeat Leaf Nature Health Tracker, commonly referred to as just the Leaf.
Here we go!
The Leaf is a sleep, activity, and reproductive health monitor that also doubles up as a smart piece of jewelry. It can be worn as a necklace, a bracelet, or a clip, and its stylish, sober appearance, which is owed particularly to the high-quality American white ash wood used to make it, will make it a deeply loved addition to your set of ornaments. The necklace, bracelet, and clip tool come included in the package and are designed to match the device itself. The design is also enhanced by the soothing silver and rose gold colors it comes in, as well as the hypoallergenic stainless steel used in it. Since it's splash-proof, you don't have to worry about it getting spoiled by any perspiration while you are out jogging or exercising on a warm day. But if the Leaf scores high on looks and sturdiness, it hits it out of the park in terms of utility. It continuously tracks your health and provides insight and helpful reminders to keep you on track to achieve your fitness goals. Parameters like calories burned, distance moved, steps taken, and active time are tracked efficiently by the device. It also gives you the freedom to add custom activities. Your sleep quality is as important as your activity time to ensure good health, and the Leaf also keeps track of your sleep time, sleep quality, stress sensitivity, and a lot more. It even helps you cope with stress through built-in breathing exercises and guided meditation features. To add that extra touch, it also enables you to better track your menstrual cycles, helping you stay more aware of your reproductive health. The most amazing thing is that the Leaf needs no buttons or keys to get it to do all of its work. It silently works in proximity to your body and syncs with the free app, transferring all your data wirelessly. It stores your data for up to 2 weeks, so you don't even need to sync it on a daily basis. Compatibility with both iOS and Android devices make it easy to use across your smartphones and tablets. That the Leaf has won the hearts of many users already is proven by its high ratings, an average of 4.1 on 5 from over 4,400 customer reviews. Many women seem to have gravitated to the Leaf after having tried out more conventional fitness trackers and swear by it now. That's all we have on the Bellabeat Leaf Natural Health Tracker. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other fitness tracker reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.